Mahalakshmi Puja, definitely you have to call Bhagwan Mahavishnu. Vishnu Bhagwan Puja before Lakshmi Puja, you must do. If suppose you have Saligramas, do the Saligrama Puja. Do the Saligrama Abhishekam for Vishnu Bhagwan. When you do the Abhishekam for Vishnu Bhagwan, automatically on the heart of Vishnu Bhagwan, Mahalakshmi dwells there. The Abhishekam, what is the benefit of all the Abhishekams? For everything they say Abhishekam, no? Especially cow milk. Cow milk radiance is very special. When you drink cow milk, you have no diseases in your body. When you use the cow ghee, your radiance is completely divine. So this is the power of the cow. What all the heinous karmas are carrying some countless lifetimes, with the milk abhishekam, especially Varalakshmi Vratam day, to Saligrama or Sri Chakram or Mahalakshmi Murti, all of these sins will be slowly, completely melted and disappear in the life. With your own hands, when you do, your hands are charging with a lot of divine energy and your body aura will completely change with the divine effulgence. Very powerful. And then the Brahmi Cow Mata Abhishekam Sarva Karya Siddhi, Sarvatra Jaya Siddhi. All of our activities, sometimes they are stuck in some area, they never move at all, lot of challenges comes, and we are working so hard, but anything is not materialized and money never remain in the hands. When we do the Brahmi Cow Abhishekam, everything is going to be very, very successful in your life. When you do the fruit juice Abhishekam, in the house, lot of financial development comes. Your businesses are going to be flourish, you are going to be successful person. All the life is, entire life will become very powerful and success is yours only. That is the fruit juice Abhishekam. The tender coconut water, Karya Siddhi. Karya Siddhi means whatever the activities we are taking, some new projects or some new ventures or anything, anything new things, definitely going to be very successful by doing the tender coconut water Abhishekam to the Sri Chakra or Saligrama or Mahalakshmi Devi Murti. When you do the different flower Abhishekams, different flowers Abhishekam, for example, lotus flowers we put in the water, or jasmine flowers we put in the water, and rose flowers we put in the water. All of these flowers, when we put in the water, this is called the flower water, the Pushpa Jalam. Pushpa is the flower, Jalam is the water. When we do the Abhishekam, what happened? What the money you miss in your finances, everything come back. In this business you miss that, in other business you get double in the business with the grace of Mahalakshmi. So like that only you will get the grace of Mahalakshmi by doing this one. And the cow ghee Abhishekam, all auspiciousness comes to you. Whatever the auspiciousnesses we need in the life, everything comes to. We spoke about Ashtalakshmi Devi now, Vijaya Lakshmi, Sampad Lakshmi, Courageous Lakshmi, Santana Lakshmi, Children Lakshmi, and Power Lakshmi, Vaibhava Lakshmi, Gloriful Lakshmi, innumerable things we are discussing now. So not only these forms of Lakshmi, Dhana Lakshmi, Dhanya Lakshmi, innumerable forms of Lakshmi Devi, all 8 varieties of auspiciousness we need in our life. We need good health. First thing is the good health. If health is not okay, we can't do anything. Sadhana, there is no sadhana. You can't sit in puja, you can't do the mantra japam, you can't do sadhana, you can't do anything. Your focus is completely deviated from the God. So that's why you need first good health. And second one is the mental peace, contentment. That's very, very essential. And then sit quietly, the peaceful heart and peaceful mind, and do the puja for God. You will definitely get 100% of focus on the consciousness. You will get abundance of God's divine grace by doing the peaceful puja in your home. Your home is completely charged with the divinity. With the divinity, because of the mantra vibrations, totally the home was a divine home, a temple or Vaikuntham. So that is the power of the mantras. So we have to put the tulasi dalams in the water and do the abhishekam with the tulasi dalam. So mountains and mountains and mountains of the karma load slowly melted. All the karma sins will melted by doing the tulasi water abhishekam. And then bilva patras abhishekam, Belva patras we have to put in the water, jasmine flowers we have to put in the water, some grass we have to put in the water, vetiver we have to put in the water and do the abhishekam. You will get the lands and also all kinds of the 8 kinds of the wells comes to you. And finally, the honey abhishekam. The honey abhishekam is going to grant you the divine radiance to you, very good health also to you, and also respect in the society, and children peace, your health, your peace, your family peace. All these things are comes only from Mahalakshmi Devi abhishekam and the puja. Let our home must be a holy home, a divine home. Let the children have to be study well. All these things are Vijayalakshmi. So suppose any problem comes, you must not sit and cry. You need Dhairya Lakshmi, courageous Lakshmi. So children must be happy. And without finances, what you have to do? Dhanalakshmi, you need Dhanalakshmi's grace, because today Varamahalakshmi Vrata. All these Lakshmis comes from one Lakshmi only. Same Lakshmi only. So these Mahalakshmi forms are innumerable forms. All the forms are Vijay Lakshmi, victorious Lakshmi, Vaibhava Lakshmi, glory. Some people are, their lives are very gloriful, no? All of these glories are comes from Lakshmi. But a spiritual person, what kind of glory he was expecting from Lakshmi? He is expecting from Mahalakshmi the divine grace only, mother compassion only, mother kindness only. If Lakshmi dwells in the home, we have contentment, peace, there is no quarrels at all in the home, there is no disrespect to each other in the home, we are very peaceful, we are tuning with each other, very, very happy home. It doesn't matter how much money we have, how much power we have in the society. If there is no peace in your personal life, what is the use of the life, children? Definitely you need a good life, good food, good home, good people around you. All the things are very, 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 very essential. This is very, very essential. All these things comes from only with the Lakshmi's grace only. Embodiment of divine souls, my beloved sweet children, today definitely do Sampudita Sri Suktam, Lakshmi Puja, not one day. Total Shravana Masam, every day. Total Shravana Masam every day, like a 40 days Vratam you have to take. Before 10 days before, take the Vratam. And the entire 30 days also you have to take the Vratam. Do Lakshmi Devi Vratam all the entire Shravana Masam. The grace was abundance from Lakshmi Devi. You remain in eternal peace in your home. Suppose all these things to do in your home is not possible for you, let you have to pray Mahalakshmi mentally in your home. That is also lot of abundance of Lakshmi's grace definitely comes to you, children. I love you so much. Thank you so much for listening, Amma. We will continue the program next also. A lot of things to discuss about Lakshmi Puja. Thank you. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.